Here we're asked to write the equation for the graphs of least degree. I'm looking at this bottom one here. First of all, I can see here that it is going to be a cubic function based on the number of turns, and it's also going to be positive because we are starting uphill and ending uphill. So it's going to be a degree of 3, and it's going to be positive. So now let's look at the zeros here at -3, -2, and +1. And all of them are going through, none of them are bouncing, so there's not going to be any squares. So in this case here, I'm going to go ahead and start writing my equation. Let's call it f of x here with my zeros. So I have x plus 3, because if I plug in -3, it gives me 0. X plus 2, because if I plug in -2, it's going to give me a 0. And x minus 1, because if I plug in +1, it's going to give me 0. Now I just got to double check what my a value is here, what goes before all of this, by plugging in my y-intercept. I know my y-intercept is at 0, -6. So in this case here, I'm going to plug that in to my equation to solve for a. So my y value is -6. I'm looking for my a value. My x value is 0, plus 2, and -1. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. I know this is 3, 2, and -1. And simplifying it one more time, 3 times 2 is 6, times -1 is -6. Now divide both sides by -6, and I get an a value of just 1. So my final equation here is f of x equals 1, or I don't have to write it because 1 times anything is just that thing. So x plus 3, x plus 2, and x minus 1. So there's my final equation for the third graph.